So when you log in to your System.io and when you register and you want to create a membership course, I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to do this in this tutorial. So first of all, when you register, when you log in, you're going to come to this place. You click go to product and sales courses. I've already made a course here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this to show you. But if you want to start new, you click on add new and then fill in all the information. So basically this is all the information that it's going to bring to you this page. And you're going to fill in all these details. So you put your description, you put your name, if your instructor name, that's my name, by the way. Okay, so you can upload your own domain name, you can link your domain name, and these are the theme that you can use. So beige, green, purple, tail, black. I chose tail, so we're going to stick to that. And this is the font. I'm going to leave it as it is. You can upload your logo, you can upload, it's recommended that you use ratio 1 of 1:1 and PNG, JPEG and GIF. You can use that as well, so make sure that you do that. So once you do this, save it, get out of here. Let's go to courses, click here. I'm going to go into my course here. So if you want to add, this is your module. So when you first approach this, it's going to be blank. So basically what you're going to do, this is what you're going to see. You're going to add a module. Once you click on the add module, this is what's going to come. You name your module. So your settings, this is what's going to happen. This is how you name your module. You save it, and what if you have a funnel, a landing sales page, you can link this course to the main page. Okay, so you can do that later. Then what you do, add module. Once you add module, you create the lectures. So you could add lectures here. You click on add lecture, and simple as that. Okay, so this is done. I'll show you how to do that. Say dream customers. Let's go to this little, I'm going to add something here. So add lecture. What I'm going to do, the best way to do is, okay, if you're doing it new, you add lecture, you click on this. I've already created one. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this and voila, it's done for you. So just edit this, click on this. Okay, I want to change the name. I want to go back. I want to change the name. I'm going to go here. I want to change the name to my liking. What is affiliate marketing? Right? Intro. So that's done. Okay, that's done. So what I need to do is go in and start editing this. So as you can see, this is the interface. This is where you can put all the text, all this here. If you don't need this, all you have to do is go there and just delete. Yeah, you can delete this. You can delete the whole section here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to rename this. So that's done. Now I want to get a video. So how do you get the video? You go to YouTube, get out of here. YouTube, this is my channel. So I'm going to get this link, get a link from here, get a shareable link, go back to your page and click on this. Once you click on this, this is on the left hand side, you'll find where to put your link in. So I'm just going to copy and paste this link. Boom, done. Right? What is affiliate marketing? All done. Now if you want to work on this, you can make sure you save it, make it to your liking, put all your information in here, and that's it. You're done. If you want to view this, you can view this. Look, boom, don't use this URL. Okay, obviously who's going to use this URL? So look there, if I play it, right, done, boom, it's done. There you go. It's easy as that is. So that's how easy it is. And in the next video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to link your sales page to your membership course. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.